Hi there, in this video today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our best-selling Sleepsuit. Our Sleepsuit is part of our essentials range and one of the most practical and functional pieces you will ever buy for your newborn. I guess it's like a nightie for a newborn, and it comes in two great sizes, a 4-0 size, which is up to 4 kilos for a newborn, and then a 000 size, which is for 0 to 3 months of age. So it's great for that newborn period of time. It has some incredible features and benefits, which I'll take you through now. So it has this incredible envelope neckline, which helps to be able to dress the baby from the top down over their head, and then from the bottom up. So just perfect if your baby doesn't like things pulled over their head. And then great because it has the inbuilt mittens as well to stop baby from scratching their face, and it's incredible easy elastic at the bottom, which just makes nighttime changing so super easy. You don't have to line any press studs or do up any zips, so it's just perfect. What I'm going to do is demonstrate how to use this on our newborn size doll today. This doll is roughly a 4 kilo size baby minus the head. The head's more of a 3 to 6 month head size, but I'm going to use this newborn size on this baby today just so we can see how much space there actually is in this newborn size. So what we do is we gather it up and we pull it over the back of their head first, then up and over the baby's face, and then feeding little hands through. And you can put your hand in if you're having troubles finding their hand, or if their fingers are getting caught. That can always be a really great tip. Now most babies are born between 3.3 and 3.5 kilos. Sometimes up to 3.7 kilos. So a 4-0 or 4 kilo baby is typically on the bigger side. So this 4-0 size that we've got here, which is up to fit up to 4 kilos, fits really comfortably on even this larger size baby, more larger than average, I guess you could say. There's plenty of room at the bottom there, so little feet aren't going to hang out the bottom, which is great. And then as you can see, you can fold these little mittens over just to stop baby from scratching their face. And it fits really comfortably. And if you need to be able to access the nappy middle of the night, it's super easy just to grab the little feet, pull this up to the middle of the body, along with the singlet, of course, and then change the nappy and then pull everything down. So it just makes nighttime changing an absolute breeze, as you can see there. And there is plenty of space there too. And look, these are great all year round. However, they're perfect for summer too, because you can allow that extra airflow. And if your baby suffers from nappy rash or just gets quite hot, you can leave that bit open. If you do want to fold it over, however, there is this great panel, and that just prevents that airflow from coming up, if you like. But it is great just to leave it open, just to be able to access that nappy really easily. And if you do have a poo explosion or everything gets really, really wet, you can then pull it down off the baby's body really simply and easily, just like this. And you don't have to worry about them pulling anything over their head that's soiled. So that's perfect as well. And then dressing the baby from the bottom up is super easy. So you can just bring it up over the baby's feet to the middle of the body, and then pulling that down over the bottom of the body. Then once again, feeding little arms through. And that's just so super easy. And like we said before, just having to feed your little hand through to help their hand through is often a good idea, because their little fingers can get caught. And this envelope neckline just makes everything so much easier, because you don't have to, again, as we said, you can see that's just there when I was undressing the baby. It doesn't have to go over the head, which is perfect, because there are a lot of babies that don't like things pulled over their head. Now we can fold that panel over, as we said, and this is perfectly fine to be swaddling over as well. It is recommended to swaddle your baby for the first few months of life, or until they show signs of rolling. So definitely a great idea to swaddle over this product. I hope this has been useful and helpful for you, and I hope you've enjoyed learning all about how to use our incredible Sleepsuit.